How do you know if your crystal is original or if it's been replaced? There are a few ways to look at it. First, you should know vintage Seiko watches. A lot of them use thick crystals, especially the King Seiko. Even if they don't use the thick crystal, the two things I'm going to teach you will help you regardless. First thing we'll look at is shape. When we look at a replacement crystal that's not original, you'll notice this goes straight up. It does not go inward, it goes up at a 90-degree angle. It stands directly up. You can see right there on the side, no bevel. A crystal that's made with a bit more detail, you'll notice it goes up, but it goes in. You see that bevel right there? It goes up, but it goes in. Up maybe at around an 80-degree angle. The second thing we're going to look at to know if this crystal is original or not is the color. The side of this crystal is not transparent. You cannot see through it. In fact, it has the telltale green tinge that you would see if you look at the side of a piece of glass on a showcase or a window or a door, a glass door. When we look at the original Japanese piece, you can see through it. It's clear. Watch this. There it is right there. You can see it near the 7. You can see through it right there. You can even see the hour markers through the side of that crystal. Right there. 8, 9, and 10, you can see them coming through. So shape and color, always buy carefully.